T-Man Travel Bahamas Edition, Edición Bahamas.
If you give your husband a one-day pass to sleep with any of your friends, who would he pick?
Maria.
And you said? Maria!
What's going on, guys? Your boy T-Man Travel, and I'm back with another video in Nassau, Bahamas. Now, before I go any further, please hit the link below, subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you can get a notification when I drop more videos. And make sure you leave feedback, comments, everything is welcome. So, before I get into this video, this is a little more non-traditional video from me because I normally like to go travel via airplane to a place that I'm going to. But this one, I took a Carnival cruise. So, some things to take away is that since I had so much content, what I'm actually going to do is make another video specifically on all the events on the cruise. I'm going to make another video specifically on the Hotel Atlantis that's located in Nassau, Bahamas. And then I have this video, which is things to do while you're in Nassau, Bahamas. So I hope you all really enjoy the video. And like I said, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, and leave comments. Also, you can follow me on my Instagram page, which I will put right here, or you can find it in the details below. Now, this is my trip to Nassau, Bahamas. So this is the Carnival Victory Cruise, and I had a blast on this cruise. So if you're looking to get more information on this cruise specifically, make sure you check out my other vlog that I'm going to put out on this cruise. This is going to have more so stuff, things to do in Bahamas. But as you can see, you cannot go wrong with going on a Carnival cruise. They have slides, they have movies, they have shops, they have everything you could imagine. So just bring cash, or you could use.
We're from Pennsylvania.
Oh, really?
That's okay so far, you know.
Why are you so dry?
It's T-Med, and we just got to the Bahamas. It's 2019. We about to see. You know, I got my special camera holder behind the lens to give me these shots, and the boy shooting with his D800. So we gonna see what we can get. So there's a lot of things you can do when you go to Bahamas. For me, this is my third time going, so I took a different route and explored some new places. A distillery, and also I went sightseeing with the tour guide. Now, this was $25, which was a bargain to kind of glance around Bahamas, but then you also have an option of renting scooters or ATVs, and they run about $80 for the scooter and about $150 for the ATVs, where you can get around Bahamas and kind of explore freelance. But there's plenty of options and things to do, and you definitely can't forget the fish fry and the Jokano Beach. Atlantis too.
Right here is Moringa. Moringa has everything your body needs to survive and to keep on pressing on. When you
Just leaving the T. Now we're about to head over to Chocolate Factory and the wine tasting. So we fit to see. T-Med, we at Atlantis, baby. Now, Welcome to Atlantis. Like I said before, I will be making another video specifically for Atlantis because in this video I just felt like I had too much content and couldn't get to everything. But if you check out my video to Atlantis, I have a very particular secret on how to get into Atlantis for free and do everything for free. Everything that you're seeing here, I went to the beach, saw the aquarium, went into Atlantis. Everything was free, so make sure you watch out for that. But Atlantis has a lot of things. Some of you probably see it on the commercials, the giant water slide, but you have beaches, you have aquariums, you have casinos, you have shops like Gucci, Versace, Hublot. All of those shops are inside Atlantis, and there's several different towers within Atlantis. So there's lots and lots to see. Cruising to Atlantis. After seeing the aquarium, now the boy T-Med then put up a whole sweat, so I'm ready to get back on the cruise.
Where's this film going?
Depends. When I make travel videos.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Then, well, you should have hung out with us today.
For real?
Yes, indeed.
Well, you don't like. Now you already know the boy gotta hit the gym no matter where I go, and luckily the gym on the cruise was nice.
Get over there, sir. Get over there. Show them how you really feel. Give them some love, y'all. Ladies and gentlemen, show them how you... Oh, yes. Yes, girl. She ain't had that much chocolate since Valentine's Day. Yeah. That's right.
Pictures online saying they got you so angry, making you weak.
Big wheel keep on turning, baby keep on burning. Roll it, roll it, come here. Roll it.
White shirt right here. 1, 2, 3. Bless your heart. Alright. My man right here in the middle. Oh Lord, have a seat. My man in the back with the raw shirt on. Well, on this question, if you give your husband a one-day pass to sleep with any of your friends, who would he pick?
Maria.
Maria? And you said? Maria! What's so good about Maria? What's so good about? Don't answer that. Don't answer that. Oh my goodness. He was about to give me the list and go up. Wow. Kiss. Just kiss. Just not a nasty one. Oh.